We assume that Archimedes' principle states that the buoyant force acting on a body submerged in a liquid is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, which means buoyancy is equal to weight of displaced liquid. We use the formula which is mass equal to density times volume. On the other formula, weight of the object at the air FO minus with weight of the object in the water FOW to get loss in weight, which is FL. The Archimedes principle formula is given as buoyant force of a given body F is equal to ρ times acceleration due to gravity times with volume of the displaced fluid. We know that the density can be determined by finding the difference between the density of the fluid and the density of the body, as the formula have given. So the Archimedes principle formula is helpful in finding the buoyant force, volume of displaced body, and so on. We use the formula of density to find the mass of displaced water. First, we find the mass of bricks, which is we can get the answer is 49.0 Newton. Next, we find the mass of wood, which is we can get the answer is 19.6 Newton. Next, we find the mass of bricks and wood using the same formula, so we can get the answer is 81.1 Newton. From the result, we know that with a weight of 118 Newton, the initial weight for the third test involving the arrangement of bricks and wood blocks was the largest, whereas the second test, which includes only block, considered as the lowest initial weight. The third test also recorded the highest weight loss when the object was submerged in a liquid, weighing 80.5 Newton, whereas the second test recorded the lowest weight loss when the object was immersed in the liquid, weighing 19.6 Newton. Last but not least, the weight of the energized water suggests that the third measure, weighing 81.1 Newton, obtained the highest reading. The second test, meanwhile, registered the lowest reading of 19.6 Newton by weight. We can relate from the Archimedes principle, which is the buoyancy theory states that an object floats on the surface of a liquid as it floats. The weight of the water displaced by the object equals the object's weight loss. According to the buoyant principle, an object floats above the surface of the water. The weight of the object is compensated by the thrust force. From the experiment, the shape of the object also plays an important role in Archimedes' principle, as the item must displace more enough water.